The f is going on? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so freaking excited, you guys. Excited. What? I'm sorry, I'm cringing. Before I show you guys what I'm gonna be reviewing today, I literally was on Twitter and I was so shocked. I was like, wait, what is this? I then go on Instagram and then I see it on Instagram. So I see this thing like everywhere, right? I was just so intrigued. I thought it was so freaking cute. So I decided to purchase it myself. So without further ado, please help me welcome the Beauty Blender washer machine. This is a toy. This is not really meant for your sponges, okay? I'm actually gonna put the person that came across this in the description box. I'm not sure if she was the first to like use this with a beauty blender, but if I am mistaken, y'all, please let me know in the comments down below. We love to give credit where it's due. So I actually paid 30 cents for this on eBay. Yes, you heard right. Or was it Amazon? I'm pretty sure at this point you can find it anywhere. Before we do go ahead and get started, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, y'all. And don't forget to click that little bell, that way you guys are notified when I post new videos. So without further ado, y'all, if y'all want to see if this washer machine is fuego or no fuego, then let's just spill some tea. Let's check it out. Let's try it out. I haven't tried it, so let's go. When I received this package, I was more upset at the fact that the bag was sitting there for days and I hadn't like opened it fast. And when I opened it, it's like I almost had forgot that I ordered this. This is basically how she looks. Oh my gosh, she is the cutest thing ever. I want to appreciate the fact that we're like totally matching. Oh no, 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 no. You guys, like, I'm sorry. First of all, oh my god, I need to put this back. I'm like freaking out. I can't even function right now. What the hell's going on? I'm freaking out. Like, tell me that is not a freaking crack. That's a crack. That is a freaking crack. Well, anyways, now that you have a close-up, this is how it looks. It's like a little fake washer machine, obviously meant for kids, like I said, but it has a crack. And this is where like you let the water run from. And this is how like it opens, or no, that's how it turns on. You're kidding. You're absolutely kidding me right now. What is going on? Why is it stuck? The heart is stuck. It's not coming out. I literally didn't even click on it hard. I'm so confused. Oh, she's back out. You know, it just defeats the purpose, like the fact that it's already cracked. If you actually open it up, I don't think the crack will do anything. I'm so distracted of all of this, I don't even know where to start. But like I said, you pour water in there, you click that little heart, which I'm really scared I might just click it when it has batteries. And you open it, and it has like the little wheel, so it could like mix, and it has a little drain, so you could like throw the water out. It's like so freaking cute. This is no joke. I want to see if it cleans a freaking beauty blender. I don't know why, like I don't know if I'm just like really picky, but I hate when I have to put batteries on stuff. Like I expect for it to come with batteries already, but I mean it was really only 30 cents. Like why am I like how I'm like complaining that it came broken, that the freaking little heart is like falling apart, but I only paid 30 cents. Like, of course. Double A. I think I do have these. Give me a second. Thank you, Jesus. We got the batteries. Oh my god. Crazy part is like, I'm just hoping this works. It works! Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay, this does work. Okay, so yeah, I'm basically gonna use 3 different sponges. I'm gonna use this one that I literally just used. It has like blush in it. It has powder, concealer, bronzer. It has a lot. I literally did a full face using frozen makeup, so it was a hot mess. I also have this sponge that I literally, it's like so dirty. It's actually disgusting. And this one that has like glitter in it, also foundation, powder. So we have 3 amazing filthy sponges to test out. All right, so we are going to just pour it up. This is kind of hard. I wish I had like a different angle to show you guys. How much do I pour? That's a real question, because it's actually really hard, because like once the sponge is in, okay, she poured a little, like halfway. Can you guys see that? So you're obviously gonna need like some kind of cleanser for your sponge. I'm actually gonna use the Sigma Brush Shampoo Foam Cleanser. So let's just fill her in. Depending, oh my god, this is so, oh my god, this is the funniest thing ever. I'm sorry. Yeah, we definitely have her soaked in. That's enough product. Okay, let's start off with, okay, yeah, this one's really crusty. Like this one's dry. Okay, we're gonna just throw her right in. Oh, you see, that's why I should have probably not used so much freaking product. Oh my God, it's in. It's in. Oh, I know what's going on. Why is it stopping it? Maybe it needs to be like more water? This is stressing me out. It's doing its thing, right? But look. Like even if I try to like lay it, let's try to lay it like up. Is there a different force? Well, the drainer works. What the fudge? Like, I'm sorry, what is this? Like, this is not working. Am I doing this wrong? Beauty blender washing machine. My washing machine's different from Tiffany's. She's different. It's stuck, it's stuck. What's going on? Oh my God. Okay, so I don't know what happened. I definitely ordered the wrong one. And this is a link that was going around Twitter. So everybody that ordered this is screwed. No, like even without water, it stops it. You see that? It just like stopped out of nowhere too. What is this? And why is the lid like about to break off? You know, it's crazy because they're kid toys. I would assume they'd all be like the same. So like what difference is this one from the other one? You know what I mean? Like, is the speed higher that can actually carry the beauty blender? Obviously it wasn't meant for sponges, but whatever the other girl used is clearly like a higher speed that could tolerate a sponge. I actually don't know what you could put in here. Like, I don't know, I'm trying to think as a kid, like, I'm gonna put this freaking lid in here. And you know what's crazy? I actually have like mini blenders. Should I try mini blenders on this and see if it works? We're just gonna do that because this already is such a fail. Like, I'm so sad. Okay, so I have 3 mini sponges. I believe these are like 2 e.l.f. sponges if I'm not mistaken. And this is a Real Technique sponge. So I'm gonna put them individually because I really don't think it could handle 3. I'm gonna get her a little dirty. We're gonna put some foundation on her. I literally think if it doesn't handle this, like, this is ridiculous. It's fucking hard. Let's throw in the sponge first. There she is. Let's pour some water. You guys probably can't see this. That's a lot. She's in there. There's water. Okay. You're absolutely kidding right now. It's one tiny ass sponge. I'm gonna throw this little one in there. Interesting. This lid is like getting on my nerves. Wow, I just discovered how you open it. Like, are you kidding me? Yeah, she's going in there slowly. Wait, so I know for the big ones, I was using a lot of water. Yeah, no, there's no way. Like, it's just too heavy. I feel like I wasted enough time on this. I'm sorry. Like, that is actually kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually disgusting. All right, you guys. So I got the wrong one. And you know what? I can't even say like anything terrible. I feel like at the end of the day, I did pay 30 cents for it, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know why I expected it to be so good, but this is literally the link that Twitter directed. Like, I really thought I was getting a good deal and I thought it was gonna work. Like, I was actually so excited for this. Let me know if you guys have the other one or what style you have that works, because this clearly doesn't. It started spinning when the water was full. It's definitely not me. Like, I literally made sure I filled this to the top. This doesn't work, you guys. Oh my God. 30 cents wasted. And you know what's actually funny? I paid like $20 extra for shipping so I can get this like really fast, and definitely $20.30 wasted. I'm pissed. So y'all know this is like no puedo, like no puedo at all. Literally, I couldn't, no podía at all. Like, there was nothing I could do with this. I'm sorry, this is an actual toy. Like, I'm not even gonna bash the actual brand, because this is an actual freaking toy. And like, if I was a little kid, I would be ecstatic playing with this, because it honestly is like such a cute thing. I love that it actually, like, it spins and it has a little drain. So it's a really cute toy, but I think I'm just like mad at the idea of like that I thought it was gonna work for a beauty blender. So I'm not even gonna bash the brand, but it's like, it's just so funny how like in the video it worked so freaking good. But like I said, I did get the wrong freaking one, because the one that the girl's using, like, I just realized is different, which I don't know why I didn't do my research enough, but I'm telling y'all, like, this was viral on Twitter and this was the freaking link. I just wanna know how many people ordered the wrong freaking washing machine. This is such a disaster. I did not think it was gonna, like, I really thought like this video was gonna be really funny. It was gonna be so good and y'all were gonna be so shook wanting to buy this because it's only 30 cents. But please don't waste your money unless you have kids and you just think it's like a really cute toy that your kids might enjoy. Just keep in mind that like the tiniest little products, like maybe his little toys or her little toys, will wash in there. But think about the weight of a sponge. Like, it's nothing. Like, it literally, if it couldn't spin a sponge, like, I don't think it could spin pretty much any object besides this freaking lid. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say. Like, this is like ridiculous. I don't even know why I'm like finishing this video. Like, this is the kind of video you don't post, but like I'm gonna post it just because it was such a fail. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm sorry. Don't spend your money. The fact that it came cracked, it just feels really cheap. The freaking heart keeps getting stuck when you press. It's like not even worth it. Like, I don't know if I would buy this. I probably actually would buy this for my kids, honestly. Like, if I had a little kid, I would be like, go off, like, distract yourself, like, learn some chores. You know, a lot of stuff like this that I see on the internet, I always question, I'm like, that is like too cute, too good to be true. And this was definitely one of those things that was like, ha! But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up for the effort, y'all. Like, I really tried. I tried small sponges. I tried a freaking lid, for God's sakes. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to click that little bell. That way you guys are actually notified when I post new videos. Y'all don't want to miss out. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this, even though it was a fail. I mean, that's the point though. It is a Fuego or No Puedo series. So obviously if it fails, it's like, I'm going to tell y'all that it's like No Puedo. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, y'all, hopefully I could try something better. Bye.